today. So, how is your practicing going?
Yeah, it's going good, bro.
All right. So, how many grain you have in your history?
Yeah, almost green, bro. Sometime only is lost.
All right. So, like a 70% or 60%.
Yeah, 70 percentage is green one.
All
But
right.
we have
And
we have
you
to
got
wait.
stable or not stable?
Sorry, bro.
Do you got stable grain or not stable? Maybe sometime a lot of grain, maybe sometime many loss.
Yeah, sometimes is continuously 4 5 losses came, but
Okay.
mostly is coming green. But if you have to wait and take the signal, means is coming green.
Okay.
Yeah. But before
Okay.
that, I
So,
am trying more strategy, but not like that. It's very easy understanding also.
all right. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you, bro.
no problem. Okay. So let's see if we have something good. This is OTC today, and let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a random chat for the training. I'm not going to do the live trade like a real account, but I'm going to do a random chat. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Okay. Analyze with the random chat. Okay. So no one can remember any candle, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yes.
Yeah.
Agree with me. Agree with me. Okay. So let's get started for the lesson today.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so let's analyze and do some live trade first. For example, this is live trade, right? Because I don't see anything on the right. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we have uptrend, retracement, retracement one, retracement two. Okay, it's cool. And I'm going to uptrend, retracement. I want to go down, so it is. Okay, so be it. I will go down after this one. If any candle close at this level, I'm going uh, to get a put. So let's see. Let's see if I have any put up here. Let's see. I might have a put already. So I missed this chance. Missed this chance.
Yes, you have to go to this area. This boot. This green color is going to boot, right?
Yeah, because you see what I tell you before, what I tell you already. Negative candle. Do you remember? Do you remember?
Yes, 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 bro.
All right. So what is it? What is it? This is uptrend,
Yes.
adjustment, impulsive, and you
Yes.
have you have reason to go down here. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Right.
All right. All right. But now let's see. This is another
But this
strategy.
single candle also we have to consider uptrend, right, bro?
Yeah. Because in a 5 second time frame, it is a trend. It is not
Yeah.
a single candle. Yeah. Okay.
But
So
the
let's
rule
see.
is we have to negative candle is touch the level or above 50 percentage and closing below the closing area. This vessel line.
Yeah. But close below the turning point, below the turning point that you have a reason to go down. Okay, so let's see if I have any candle that close above. If it close above, what do? We still go down, but in the other vision, other theory. So let's see if we have any candle close above here. Let's see. 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 Maybe I don't have, and I never have. Maybe long time. Okay, just go long. Go long enough. I'm going to follow this one.
Okay.
All right. Okay, it's just tired. You get wait 1 hour. You don't have. So forget it. Forget it, bro. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. So today is another strategy. If you don't have kind of confirmation, if you don't have good candle confirmation, what do we do? If you don't have good confirmation, if you see kind of negative candle, you want to enter, but actually it is not beautiful negative. So what do we do? Now, this is a theory that can help you to make decision very amazingly, very shockingly.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Yes. All right. So what is this? Okay. I'm going to draw a trend line, a line here. This is I don't call this one is kind of yeah. Okay, so this is downtrend. Okay, that's not good. That's nothing good. So this is downtrend. This is okay, kind of good. And I may have a red candle after this. So let's hope. If I have $100, I can go $2 for the red candle down here. So let's see if it's on the right. Is a red candle.
Okay.
Win. So that is the strategy today. That is strategy today, bro.
You.
Okay, listen.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this strategy today. All right, so you have type M or W, M or W, M or W, and anything close beyond this one, you're gonna go down. M or W, okay?
M or
Anything.
W.
M, W.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, anything that's close at the middle point. What is middle point of M or W? M or W. Sorry, this one. So this is middle point. If anything, any candle close above this one, you have a reason to go down. Okay?
Yeah. But
All
this
right.
this candle is closing.
Yeah, it close above this level. See, the middle point is here. Close above. I say already, close above. Not close like this.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
close like this.
Here
It
is
must close
closing,
like
right?
this. Yeah, closing here, turning point of the WM.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe 80%, 70%, 80%, sometimes 90%, sometimes more than 100%. You get winning ratio. Very
But
good winning ratio.
this is the MW, right?
Where?
This is a W pattern, right? But is closing. You
Yeah,
consider
yeah.
this point, right?
Yeah. I consider the middle point of the green candle. That is middle point. Middle
Yeah.
turning point. Turning point in the middle of WM.
Yeah. This point is closing middle. That's why it's going to this candle is down, right?
Yeah, it closed beyond the level of M, middle W.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Suppose
that's
it's going to
easy.
up means not middle. 20% is coming. 70% is above. Is considered.
Sorry?
Suppose this green candle is
Yeah.
70% above, okay, 20-30% down, so it's considered.
Yes, as long as it's close above, you have a reason to go down. Just above.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. I also have a M or W. So I have it here, maybe. Yeah. I have this one. Sorry. This one, this one, this one, this one. Do you see it close above this one? Close above the middle point. That's why you win this one. But I didn't notice that. I didn't enter because I don't know. If I know, I enter. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute, bro. 1 minute.
Yeah.
My kids is coming.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. அம்மாட்ட போ நான் வரேன்.
So you do real account right now, or you're still practicing?
போ நான் வரேன். 1 minute, bro. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Tell me, bro.
Okay, are you? Hello?
Yeah. Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.